Today I will be decluttering and organizing my closet. I will be taking everything out my closet and placing it on the bed. Everything that I haven't worn in the last, say, year and a half, I will be giving it away. It is a complete mess. I'm telling you, when you see it, you're gonna be like, what is going on with her in the closet? So I would love for you guys to watch this video and subscribe, and hopefully I can inspire someone to do the same thing. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys soon. We're taking everything out the closet. This is what we're working with. Have all the clothes laid out on the bed and in the chair. Shoes I need to sort through, figure out what I'm getting rid of and what I'm keeping. And ready to show you my closet. It's so organized in here. We'll start with my denim. All my jeans, instead of putting these on hangers, I wanted to try something different. So I seen these little small hangers on Amazon. So I ordered some. I think it was like 30 for like $10. So I wanted to get the look and the vibe from when you're in a department store and you see the jeans just hanging straight up. So I wanted to get that vibe going. So to keep it looking organized is to hang your clothes on the same color hangers. It makes it look a little bit neater. So to start, we have my creams and white shirts. Then it goes to the denim shirts. And then to the left, I have my black, the pink, to the print. I try to put them all in one section. Then when it comes to my heels, the ones that I wear on the regular days, I put down on the floor. The right, from top to bottom, I have like my little classy girly shoes. My favorite for the moment. So that's the first two. And I have my matching clutch and red booties, which this whole section is like a personality of mine. Get rid of a lot of clothes, and I feel like this would do me good for the fall, winter. So that's my closet tour. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon.